Well, you made it. You did your midterm exam, and now we are in week 3. After the middle of the course, the Sunday was your last day to withdraw. So if you're going to log in week 3, you must continue and finish the course. The week 3 agenda here is again to look at the overview of the week and check the learning objectives. I'd like you to make sure you do the learning activities, and the readings would be 5 chapters, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's quite a bit of reading, but there are modules and presentations to help you. Review the discussion requirements very carefully, and then read all the announcements for the week, if there are any. I'm not sure if I did any this week, but be aware of those. The discussion for week 3 is on sex education, and should it be handled in the schools? Should it be handled at home? Perhaps a combination. What do you think? But this is more than your opinion. We want to have citations from reliable and valid references. Keep that in mind. So that is why you are going to need to do a peer-reviewed reference. So you'll need to use the online library. To go use the online library, I will show you let's go up. This is on the left side. You have a link to the library. You click on that and it will take you to this page. From here you can choose a database from the list, but I recommend you go to popular databases and click in ProQuest or EBSCOhost. So this is the ProQuest. That's what it looks like when you open it. And then you could put in your search terms. This is already set for full text peer-reviewed academic journals, so please do use this. This is a wonderful opportunity for you to use your academic skills. So let's go back down to the announcement for week 3. So here we have, you may find that you would like to use a video to help you, but I will cover in Kaiser Live how to write a paper. Your week 3 paper is due. I recommend sending it to the online writing lab later than Wednesday for consulting, then review it for errors and make the submission. Your discussion posts again will be on 3 days this week. Your paper, the instructions are very clear, so please do follow those.